Oh, now you're recording. Okay. Uh, Renewal by Andersen did a great job. We had in the front of the house, there was four little windows, and the header was up in the sheetrock, behind the sheetrock. So we changed them to four to two windows. And now it's like picture windows upstairs looking across the bay. And they did an excellent job on preserving the inside by sectioning it off so all the dust doesn't go everywhere. And it looks super. The outside looks even better than, well, I like the inside too, better too. But anyhow, yeah, they did a great job. I'm happy with it. And I would recommend them to anybody that wants a design change or whatever. Thank you. Goodbye.